Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover 5 best animation tablets in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Wacom Intuos Graphics Drawing Animation Tablet. Wacom has been developing innovative premium pen tablets and displays to help you unleash your creativity for the past 35 years. The brand offers easy-to-use digital solutions with creative software applications. The best thing about Wacom's animation tablet is that it comes with 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity that gives you great control and precision. Whether you are drawing or painting or photo editing, you can achieve great precision in nearly any software application. It offers a working area of 6 by 3.7 inches that is perfect for limited desktop areas. The battery-free pen supports both right and left-handed use. The animation tablet is compatible with a wide range of devices and OS including Windows 7 and above, Mac OS 10.10 and above, Chrome OS, and Android 6.0 and above. The tablet can be connected to these devices using USB-A, USB-C, or OTG adapters. When it comes to ease of use, the tablet has 4 customizable express keys for setting up frequently used shortcuts like copy/paste or undo at your fingertips. When you register this tablet on PC/Mac, you get 2 years of Clip Studio Paint Pro and 90 days of Corel Painter Essentials 8 and Corel Aftershot Pro 3 for free. With Chromebook, you get 3 months of Clip Studio Paint Pro. On top of this, the tablet comes with a 3-month trial period of EdTech software that is particularly useful for teachers. Number 2. Our second best pick is HUION H610 Pro V2 Graphic Drawing Tablet. HUION uses its proprietary electromagnetic digital input technology to manufacture a wide range of digital art devices. The Chinese brand sells its products in over 50 countries and regions. HUION has used a battery-free stylus in this animation tablet with 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity for refining your digital artwork with a great precision. The stylus offers you a resolution of 5080 LPI and reading rates of 233 RPS for an accurate and natural drawing experience. With 8 customizable press keys and 16 customizable soft keys, you can set these shortcut keys to perform the most frequently used functions. The pen has 2 buttons that allow you to use it as an eraser. There is also a tilt control system that provides better pressure detection and accurate cursor positioning at different angles for a real drawing experience. The animation tablet offers you a sufficient working area of 10 by 6.25 inches. It supports a wide range of operating systems including Mac 10.12 and later, Windows 7 and later, Chrome OS 88 and later, and Android OS 6.0 and above. You can connect the tablet to your phone using an OTG connector and to laptops using the USB port. Number 3. Our third best pick is GAOMON M10K 2018 Graphic Drawing Tablet. GAOMON is a popular Chinese brand that develops animation products and handwritten input digitizer products. The brand has a premium line of products including Signature Pad, Pen Tablet Monitor, USB Pen Tablet, Wireless Pen Tablet, and LED Tracing Board. GAOMON's animation tablet uses a pen with the most advanced passive technology that does not have to be charged nor has the need for replacing the battery. So, the pen is always ready whenever you want to create a fine piece of art. Besides, the pen has 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity allowing you to draw ultra-thick and ultra-thin lines based on how hard you push it against the drawing surface. The pen has a touch resolution of 5080 LPI and a report rate of 233 pps. The tablet features 10 customizable shortcut keys for quick access to the commonly used functions. Besides, you can program the touch ring for brush adjusting, canvas zooming, and page scrolling. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is UGEE M708 V2 Graphics Drawing Tablet. Next on our list is UGEE's M708 V2 Drawing Tablet. UGEE is a relatively small brand. But nevertheless, it manufactures superior quality digital art devices to bring out the creative artist within you. With a 8192 pressure sensitivity pen stylus, you can draw accurate lines of any opacity and weight depending on how hard you press the pen against the surface. As the pen has a battery-free design, you can use it continuously as long as you want without any interruptions. The tablet has 8 customizable express keys on the side for shortcuts for the most frequently used functions. This saves you time and improves convenience so that you can spend more time focusing on the creative artwork. The animation tablet has a 10 by 6 inches active area that is sufficient to bring your creative artwork to life. Besides, the working surface offers a no-lag sketch for immediate tracking of your art. The tablet supports Mac OS 10.8 or above and Windows OS 10/8/7. When it comes to software, it supports all latest software including Photoshop, Illustrator, Comic Studio, Autodesk Maya, 3D Max, and Fireworks. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Simbans PicassoTab Drawing Tablet. Simbans is another small brand that has a limited number of products in its portfolio. The brand has 2 premium lines of tabs, PicassoTab and TangoTab. These tabs are known for their 2-in-1 functions for versatile use. Simbans PicassoTab can be used as a standalone drawing tablet. You don't have to connect it to your PC for viewing your digital art. Rather, you can view it on the tab itself. But, if you want to connect it to your PC, you can plug in using the USB Type-C port or wirelessly through a Wi-Fi connection. With a 10-inch IPS HD display screen, you not only get more room for drawing but can also view these drawings clearly. The display shows the vivid colors and a great detailing of the drawings. What is more impressive is that you can use this as a regular tab as well. It runs on Android OS 9.0 Pie and is powered by a 1.3 GHz quad-core processor. You can play games and watch movies using it. The tablet also has a decent camera quality. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.